Welcome to our tutorial on wrapping text in Google Slides. Whether you're designing presentations, creating infographics, or showcasing data, knowing how to elegantly position your text is essential. In this video, we will guide you through the process step by step. 1. Insert an image. Open your Google Slides presentation, click Insert in the top menu, choose Image and select the image you want to wrap text around. The image will appear on your slide. 2. Create a text box. Click Insert Text Box. Draw a text box near the image where you want the text to wrap. Type or paste your text into the text box. 3. Position the text box. Click and drag the text box to adjust its position. Ensure that the text box aligns with the image, leaving space for the wrapped text. 4. Adjust text flow. As you type more text, it will automatically wrap around the image. Resize the text box or adjust the image position as needed. Experiment with different layouts to find the best fit. If this tutorial helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.